Taylor Vinters is an international law firm with offices in Cambridge, London and Singapore. We have a range of clients from FTSE down to small technology startups. We cover a diversity of law for them, but really focusing on technology. Our lawyers work across the offices in different areas, meeting with clients. A typical day probably involves quite a bit of dealing with documents and email. Lawyers work on a piece of work for somebody and we call that a matter. Obviously some matters create a lot of paper, so storage is always a challenge. We've worked with Purity as a BlackBerry partner now for nearly 3 years. We use them to update our BlackBerry platform. Most recently, we've worked with them on the development of the RUBUS application, and RUBUS has let us get iManage interfaced to the BlackBerry device. We now work totally paper-free. A couple of key things that lawyers really will do. There's the email coming in and email going out. You can see the matters you've worked on currently. RUBUS will recognise and understand NRL links in there as well. You could go off and search the whole iManage repository. That is something that's really useful for them, and they would otherwise have to wait to get back onto a desktop environment. RUBUS will let you look at that information in real time. The only exception is, of course, if you were out of Signal. You can do that offline, and as soon as you're in Signal, it will then connect to iManage through the BlackBerry Enterprise environment and file it away for you. BlackBerry have worked with Purity too in letting them have access into the operating system to code in, send and file, which I know on other devices you just cannot do. That was a good plus for us.
I think using RUBUS has made a big difference to my work-life balance. It also means that the work I do outside of the office is much more efficient, and whenever I'm communicating with clients I can actually communicate with them in a meaningful way. So say I'm commuting, if I get some emails from a client that need me to respond to specific points in a document, now that I've got RUBUS I'm able to integrate replying to that email to actually responding to the client's questions on the document, because I've got access to everything in one place.
In the world nowadays, security is becoming more important. Through using BES 12 with the gold licenses and RUBUS, you really can have that tremendously granular control over the security documents being on the devices. It's been great working with the Purity, because rather than getting an off-the-shelf product that does a percentage of what you want, there's very little that we haven't got in RUBUS, and we're getting far more value from that BlackBerry experience. And if you talk to any of our lawyers, they will say that's something they've really wanted, so it's been great to be able to do that.